Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the money flow immediately. Log into Ads Manager, go to Billing, and identify the card and next invoice date. Freeze running ads and set each campaign to paused or end today. Once paused, head to Payment Settings and remove or replace payment methods. Make sure there's no alternate active card. If removal is blocked, add a $0 or expired virtual card as placeholder, so charges fail and billing halts. This prevents new spend while you plan the next steps. Once done pausing, address obligations so Facebook doesn't auto-charge later. You should either pay outstanding invoices or submit a dispute through billing if a charge is incorrect. Keep records of confirmation numbers. Then go through each ad set to disable auto-bidding, schedule delivery, and any rules that restart campaigns. If this ad account is unnecessary, unlink it from Business Manager and revoke API tokens and payment admins. This blocks reactivation. Make sure you document changes. To finish, request formal ad account closure in Settings and confirm that Facebook records a 0 or cleared pending balance. Closure prevents new campaigns. Next, deactivate connected tools like Pixel, catalogs, and integrations so no auto-uploads trigger billing. Once closed, monitor your bank and credit card for residual or disputed charges for about 30 days and keep screenshots of closure confirmations. If charges still appear, contact Facebook support with your evidence. The key troubleshooting tip: escalate with billing ID and screenshots to force a manual review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.